I told him not to do my underwear. Did you do it anyway? Sexy for my eyes. Sexy for my tummy.
Why would you do that? It's not could be deep enough to do that. Why would you do that? Good morning, Philippines.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is, I think today is Thursday. Guys, nagka-poison ivy na naman ako, guys. Every time talaga na mag-word, yung nasa, ako, every time na nag-yard work ako, na may tinatrabaho ako sa yard, palagi akong nagka-poison ivy. Ang dami kasing poison ivy dito. As in, hindi mo talaga maiwasan kahit nag-gloves na ako, dito po dito talaga, guys. Oh, kita nyo, dyan pa talaga. Sa kamay pa talaga, na ito yung palaging hinahawak ko sa mukha ko. Kasi, oil ito, guys, na hindi mo makikita, at saka hindi siya makukuha na, kahit sabunan po ng sabunan. At saka, kumakati talaga siya, guys. Gumagrabe. So, hindi ko alam. Pulang-pula na siya. So, I watched my sister's vlog. Yeah. And, I feel, I've been calling her after watching her vlog because I feel so mad and upset.
Why?
Because they drive in a motorcycle and they pass these 4 puppies, new babies. And then the other one died. And then the siblings just won't leave the other sibling that passed away. So, they are gathered. Somebody owned those puppies and threw it away.
Alright.
So, and in there, of course, they have 4 or 5 puppies because their dog is just delivered also 5. So, I think that's why they don't pick it up, but they just leave it. But I called her, but they don't answer. I feel so bad, huh? I feel so bad because the other puppies, the sibling won't leave the other one who died. It's like, that's the thing about the Philippines, guys. You know, my sister, they like the dogs, but they have also 2 big puppies, dogs, and they have 5 now too. So I just want them to take it, right? Yeah, and feed him and give it away to who want the dog. I'm going to the car. I'm gonna put everything in the trunk, out the basement. I'm going to show you what's in my car. It's full, guys. Why is it 1 hour, huh? Oh my goodness, 1 hour. Okay, I forgot my car key. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung hitsura ng sasakyan ko. So, I need to empty that car, pour it in the basement. I need the car key. So, meron akong menstruation ngayon, guys. This morning, it was really bad. The pain. And, oh my God, hindi ko talaga maano. Sobrang sakit. Saka itong si Habs, iyak ng iyak. Bumangon ako, guys, and ginawa ko, uminom ako ng alib, kaya naging okay ako ngayon. So, ito siya, guys. Tignan nyo. Punong-puno po yung trunk. At saka dito din. Look. Look. May kaldero pa talaga, look. Kailangan i-ano lang ito. Oh, shit. Mga ito, guys. Mga tools ni Tammy. Yan, naglaba din ako kahapon ng mga rug sa bathroom at saka dog towel. Tapos na ako sa paglalagay ng mga gamit sa basement. So ngayon, alis kami. Don't forget the gloves. Punta kaming Home Depot. Bibili lang kami ng soil at saka ibang gamit para sa pag-garden. And yun. Bibilhin lang namin kasi wala naman kaming magawa dito. Alam namin gasto na naman ito, pero I've been planning to do garden, you know, for a while now. But what are you doing? So yun, and hindi ko lang ito dalhin yung camera na ito, dalhin ko yung GoPro kasi easy lang siyang lagay sa bulsa. Yun. Yan, where is Roxy? She knows that we're leaving, kaya ayaw niyang magpakita. What, baby? Ito. You wanna go out first? Come, let's go out. Come. Parang, ako sa, nito, guys. Ito. Parang problemado ako. Kapag ilagay ko dito, parang sobra namang blue. Parang hindi bagay ba? Parang hindi talaga siya bagay dito. Nag-change yung mind ko sa mag-ano ako dito ng paint. Parang nag-change talaga yung mind ko. Parang iba yung gusto ko. Kasi black and white dito. Gusto kong gawin dito na ano, black and white but different design. Meron pa naman akong black. So, baka hindi na ako mag-ano ng... Baka hindi na to. Hanap lang kami ng soul. How much is this? They're all the same soil, Han. It's just I just want to get the cheaper one. Is that $3? Okay guys, naghanap kami ng wood. Ito na yung nakuha namin. Bumili si Tami nito, iwan ko sa kanya. Pero ito ha? No, we won't fit. No, don't want.
That's what you want, something long, so we're gonna have to get shorter on it.
They cannot cut it half, Han.
Sure they can.
How much is that?
$22.
Each?
$23 each, yeah.
And guys, ito lang muna yung kinuha ko na ano, soil and yun. And bumili din ako ng tawag nito. Ito, another tomato. Ha? This is a good wood. This one here, you can just stand up. This kind, and then stand it up. It's thicker. I mean, it's higher. This is nicer. How much is this? Do we know? How much is this?
14 all the way up on the right on the floor.
Great, thank you.
Ang daming woods. Ito yung ano. What number? 14. Gutom na din ako guys. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Sabi ko kay Tami, please let's go. Okay, I'll wait here. Okay, come here. Right here in the middle. Don't block that thing. Come here. Yeah. Pag-garden na si Meyora guys. Pag-garden.
Walk again.
What did you just say?
I said my wife's trying to make sure I never walk again.
Han, you know what? I'm sorry. Are we gonna stop Burger King?
Yeah.
Okay, show them the back. Just do like this if you can see it.
I can't see.
Look at guys. Look what happened here. It's like everything. Tommy and I are divided. Look, we're divided with the things. My husband is bitching here, guys. I'm the one who's driving. He's bitching.
Are you kidding? That's why I'm bitching. Because she's driving. You hear that beeping noise? That means she's not driving good. I get no strength. I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna die.
Can you close that thing? They cannot hear you because of the wind. Anyway, so he decided, you know, this kind of problem right now. We don't have mask. We go out. We did this, and then he decided to go to Burger King because that's one of his favorite in the world, the king of the burger. And we go over there. There's no customer. It's a drive-through. There's no people, but there are people working inside.
It's 11 o'clock. Give me another hour and I'll be back.
And we are the only customer. And we don't know who's handling our food. He doesn't want to know. He doesn't want to take care. Careful. So now we have to wash the burger. What? With a
Are you freaking kidding me?
yeah, we have to wash it, honey. Spray it, honey.
I'm not spraying my freaking burger.
You have to spray it, honey. And you don't know who's touching your food.
Hon, you're gonna spray on your freaking food. Oops. Put Clorox on your burger and then eat it.
Trying to kill me. We are here, guys. And wash hand. Tommy is wearing gloves.
Not the old
The gloves that he used ripped. His hand is like a sharp knife.
Roxy and the Hobbs are all excited. What makes you think we got anything for you?
Okay.
What makes you think that?
Kain kami, guys. So, pag may mangyari sa amin because of the burger, I will blame Tummy Moy. So, ito yung in-order niya. Fries. Nuggets and burger. Hi guys, I'm here upstairs. Pero guys, hindi mapakali ito, oh. Hindi mapakali, oh. Kanina pa yan dyan. Hindi mapakali. Hindi ako makapag-edit. Kasi andito to. What are you doing here? Why you can't stop crying? Yeah. Okay. Kanina ka pa, ha? You don't listen? What the heck are you doing to my life? Maghingi si Tommy ng hanger. Wala na daw siyang hanger doon sa baba. Here, let's go na, little man. You cannot leave me alone. I cannot even do my work because you keep grabbing my elbow. Naghanap ng hanger itong asawa ko. Ang dami palang hanger sa taas. What are you doing? This is what you got, remember? What are you doing?
I'm thinking we put it over here, maybe. Because it gets good sun, and the grass over there looks like crap anyway.
Over there?
See where I put the wood?
Tommy got the woods. Look at him, honey. Honey, look at him! My God! You're so wobbly. Okay, nagutom pala itong mga junag kids ko. Gutom pala sila, guys. Si Habs kanina pa to. Hindi mapakali. Hindi mapakali. Hindi mapakali, babag. Okay, this one here. Come here. Come here. Right here, right here, right here. Where is my Roxicles?
There.
Okay, let me give them.
You were jumping all over the place when I was bringing wood.
Why?
Why you thought I was going to do it?
Okay, guys. Pakainin. Ito si Habs. Oh, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Kahit i-open ko na to. You are just a scotch little boy, no? Here. Here. Good girls. Oh, look at him, guys. He is doing laundry. He's like in the Philippines. Hanging. It smells so good. Did you use that thing?
I did not use your thing well.
Why?
Why? You want me to dry this in the dryer?
Yeah, that's dryer. Yeah, naglalaba si Mister. I told him not to do my underwear. Did you do it anyway?
Once you have red, you can't put anything light in with red. Not ever. You want it with like pink stuff.
This is American, guys. The American daughter laundry. We are confused. We are curious, guys. Right before when in the Philippines, how American.
Well, we used to hang them on a clothesline outside. Get nice fresh air. They smell nice from the fresh air.
That's what we do in the Philippines. Fresh air. Hang it outside.
Now, you know, a lot of people do clotheslines because the neighbors think it's like looks crappy with all your clothes hanging outside.
I don't want him to wear my underwear. Wear. I don't want him to wash my underwear, guys, because you know it's like it's embarrassing. Why you just don't bring the whole thing, Tommy Moy?
Grease.
Grease from working. Tell them why I don't want you to wear my underwear.
Why you want me to wear your
How
underwear?
to wash it.
I don't know. Why don't you want me to wash your underwear?
I'm
You're
embarrassed. Yeah. He is my husband, but I embarrassed. It's my freaking underwear.
You don't want to wear it.
Look at that. You did, chick. You did. Look. Put it in the dryer. Guys, this is what I'm embarrassed about. Baby. Next time, honey, don't do the laundry basket. Han!
What?
I'm filling over there.
I'm getting dressed over here.
Are you? Magbihis daw siya, guys. So, may gagawin lang ako. I need to arrange everything there. And now, little Lexi, I am strong. Let the poor see, I am rich. Hi! Hi, Mister Cupido. Ako na may tulungan mo, Mr. Cupido. Okay, guys, let's start the thing here. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, dahil ito yung mga damit ko. Ibalik ko sa taas kasi ito dito, I'm sure mapuno ito para kay Tami. So, ibalik ko ito lahat sa taas. Ang iano ko lang dito is itong pang ginaw. So, ito, sa lahat ito sa loob. Doon sa taas. Yan, ito, mga ginaw. Mga pangginaw dito, ala siya.
There's tons of space here.
No, this is space. It's nothing. Once all your stuff here, this is gonna be like
That's
buried.
Hunt, the suits and jackets and stuff, they can all go upstairs. When do I wear this crap? Really? All that stuff? When do I wear it? Go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, we'll do that after.
You're so sexy for my eyes. Sexy for my tummy. I'm sexy for.
We'll work in the yard.
Hey, I will put everything back upstairs and I will do yours, okay? Oh, you're going to Han. What are you gonna do now? Iwan ko muna ito dito, guys, kasi mag-ano na daw siya doon. I thought we are not doing it today. Why you need to cut off the wood? The wood is cut off already.
Oh.
Guys, my husband just gave me the look. Like, what is wrong with you? What's wrong? Guys, it's hard when you have something in your mind to do your own garden and your husband interrupt.
Interrupt because she's not thinking it out properly.
Well, I can't.
She wanted it to be deeper than her arms will go. So that, she can't reach whatever's planted on one side because there's a fence there, so she can't go from the other side. And she can't reach across because her arms aren't long enough.
You know what, honey?
What? Is that not true? Your arms aren't long? Let me measure your arms.
Guys, he's really very insulting. No, honey.
Look at it. 18 inches long. And you want to make it 30 inches long. That's twice as long as your arm.
Honey, I can handle it. My God, very insulting. Now you measure my arm. Honey, you are...
Hon,
No,
you can't do this to get to that plant.
I'm gonna put something in the middle. I'm gonna put a rock.
Why would you do that? It's not going to be deep enough to do that. Why would you do that?
It's small
Just
rock
make
for
it
me to
less
stick.
shallow. No, that's crazy.
In the middle.
This is not like a big giant garden where you put a walkway in the middle. This is a little garden. You
So
know-
it's my garden, okay? Just let me decide what I want. guys, it's just like...
Guys, Filipinos are hard heads.
No, you...
Hard head.
Interrupt.
Hard head.
No, you are the hard head.
I don't have rocks in the yard harder than that head.
Yeah, whatever. You know what, honey? Let me decide, hon, once. For once. I'm under, guys. I'm under.
Guys, I design a lot of things that doesn't work. See? How come you didn't tell me that?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Well, it's not my fault. I don't speak English.
Yeah, whatever.
How many times have you used that excuse?
You know, hon, you're too much. You're too
How
much.
many times?
No, you are too much, hon.
Too much.
All you have to do is build the cube for me.
I know, Rox. I agree. Your mama does.
You want?
She said it.
Yeah, whatever.
I just
Hon,
agree
can
with
you
it.
drink your water, hon? I see you all still there. Oh,
I drank some water. Now I'm having the coffee.
no, that's the problem here.
That's the problem is here.
The wind is kicking. Kapitbahay namin. Oh my God. Pasensya na guys. Windy guys. So ito siya. Ito yung mag-hold ng ano. This is a nice wood, Han. So why don't you cut this? Don't cut this, ha? This is my plan. And don't cut this and put halfway or put the long way like this, okay? The thin one, put it like that too. So it's kind of holding it nice, okay?
Okay, you can do that. Okay, but that is longer than this.
Yeah.
Here and nail to the ground. So you have a little area. Then you take the other one and you put a piece here, and cut that up and make the sides.
Mhm.
And you could also cut little pieces back here to make the back of it.
So, mahangin guys. Ay, sobrang hangin. It's cold. Huish. Okay, I'm gonna put the...
For the siding.
No, I can put the car now inside.
You back it in.
Huh?
You back it in.
I'll try. Hala, it's frozen man ito, Han.
On, put it in the refrigerator. Like that.
The refrigerator is so cold. I guess. May kausap si Tami. Yung kausap niya is yung tao na ano. Ang tagal matapos mag-usap mga Ilang oras yung ano nila, usapan pa minsan, mga 2 hours. Mga nonsense. Si Tabi, walang magawa kasi parang may walang kausap yung ano, kaibigan niya yun matagal na. Well, kapatid ng kaibigan niya, and kapag tumatawag kay Tami, ang tagal talaga. Aabot ng 1-2 oras. Paminsan si Tami mag-give up na. Ngayon guys, nagluluto ako ng garlic. At saka garlic siya, nilagyan ko ng ito crushed red pepper. Ito siya, nilagyan ko siya kasi para maanghang-anghang. Ayan guys, lutuin ko lang ito, and yun. Akala niya guys, may gagawin siya sa ano, labas. Mag-cut ng wood. Sabi ko, wag na kasi maginaw. It's cold outside, that's why. It's freezing, right? Even here inside the house, I can feel it. Like, even the temperature is okay. Akala ko walang rasyon sa yung kung saan man yung kapatid ko. Akala ko hindi sila bigyan ng rasyon kasi yung pamigay ng gobyerno ba, kasi matagal-tagal din daw silang hindi nabigyan. Pero kaninang umaga na nakita ko, marami palang nabigay. Marami ang binigay sa kanila, mga noodles, mga dilata, yung rice. Iwan ko kung marami yung rice, pero 4 na maliit na cellophane. 4, marami yung nabigay. Hi! Look at the camera. Kain lang kami guys, and we're gonna have the chicken that he made. Kain lang kami guys. I want to hug him but I kind of like shy. I'm so shy guys because he is so good looking. He might kick me away.
I shouldn't do the word arrows. Didn't do it.
You're so cute.
Do you remember which one you wanted to watch? Oh, Dragon Blade, right?
I love you. Can I do a thumbnail like this? Baby. Is that English?
No. They're not English.
Nood kami ng movie pero putol kasi tumawag yung kapatid niya. Ngayon tumawag naman yun din yung cousin niya, yung pinsan niya. Kaya putol yung panonood namin. Gusto ko nang matulog, so ngayon hanap na lang ako ng ice cream na makakain namin. Ayaw niya, di ako na lang kakain. Bahala ka, ako'y kakain ito bukas. Good night guys. I will see you tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa channel, and yun, see you, bye. Good night guys. Ano nangyari sa smile ko?